Little ones can dance in the back of the bigger ones because they're not too sure. Come, you guys come. You guys can follow. Come. So normally this is how they learn. They just go in the back and they keep up dancing every song until they got it. Okay, so here we go. Ko'ono. Is Halava, the homeland of Lanikola. Luxury is a kola with its secrets, it shines. With a pathway to Maui across the Kailua Channel. Is Kalo with the moa, which lives in the uplands. For this area, this lush and beautiful island of Molokai.